Hello, 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 hello. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Welcome to pre-market analysis for September 21st, 2020. If I'm struggling again this morning, I apologize because I cannot see the live chat. For the love of me, I'm not sure why this will happen that way. So, for the interest of time, I'm just going to be blind, meaning that I cannot see who's in the live chat. I can see right now that there are six concurrent viewers. Um, uh, on it and eight concurrent viewers or whatever, but I cannot see who that is, which make it very, very interesting. So yeah, so just bear in mind, folks, I cannot see anything that you type. So let's just, I'm blind to this. We're just gonna go through something like that. That's we were trying to avoid it last time. But it didn't happen. Some other people have told me actually that yeah, sometimes they couldn't see where to type their comments. So for me, so this is send feedback here. What my feedback includes screenshot. We love to hear from you. Oh, YouTube, you're gonna be hearing from me, all right? Okay, okay. Let me cancel this because it's not even working. Oh my goodness, what the heck is this? So share. We have live settings, live stream settings. This is live chat, enable live chat. Yes, I'm enabling live chat. So if I disable it and then bring it on sometimes, allow live chat to replay. Yes. How about the details? The video contain paid promotion. I wish. I wish. Okay. Well, in any case, guys, let's get going on here. Some of this, the content of the show this morning, if it is of a surprise to you, that means that all last week you were living under a rock, right? Because if you come here for guidance or interaction on to understand how to better attack the market, we laid this plan down for you last Sunday, the previous Sunday, not yesterday. Yesterday for some of us was Sunday. Yeah, I know another parts of the world is different, and I'm juggling so many time zones. You have no idea. So I have staff that are on different part zone of the world. So and Jen's scheduling meeting is just one of those. So yeah. But yeah, I think it will be better for me going forward. At least some of you have noticed I've just been overextended myself. So I've reached that point. I told you already. We have somebody at Successful Trading who handle our social media per se. Now we even have writers for the blog as well. So kudos for us. And we are definitely excited. We can share that, right? Yeah, we can share. Let's go and give a thumbs up to all of those who have been subscribing to the YouTube channel. 613 folks. It happened. Well, I will definitely. I'm taking names, right? So Mr. B is my lawyer by predilection. Hey, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pay this lawyer that much. Did you guys see what Mr. B did on Friday? So to all of those, I mean, for all of us who may be thinking that, oh, there is no way to make money out of this market, or some of us who are, when we see a red market, yeah, the t-shirt is red. You know what that means today. We catch a stage fright or whatever, Mr. B. And it's not the first time, folks. Go to the Just Winner if you're inside of our Discord. If you're not inside of our Discord, where can you find what's going on at Successful Trading? Go to our Twitter account. What's the name of the Twitter? The Twitter account is, let's see, 101 followers. Oh my goodness. Things are Successful Trading at Gangster Trade. You cannot make this stuff up. Yeah. Speaking of gangster, it's Gangster Delight, folk. This pre-market analysis should all be about Gangster Delight. And we are September 20th. Yeah. Take a big calendar. If you are part of our Discord room, were you with us last Sunday? If you were not with us last Sunday, do yourself a favor. Go watch the video of the daily market recap last Friday. Oh, so I forget. You guys don't watch video. Oh, geez. Well, in that case, then we are out of luck. Yeah. Oh, let me see. Maybe last possibility is what? Go to successfultradings.com and search for SPY trading system. Why do you need to have one in 2020? It worked magic last weekend. I think I shared it with some folks inside of the Discord room. I've never seen as many of you as I saw on there, but I'm sure somebody at some point this week still gonna be asking me the question, hey Telex, what do you think of the market? Yeah? Yeah. It's like one of those when you find yourself, I'm not telling you, I've never been in that situation. But imagine somebody is driving on the freeway and the person is hearing on the radio that, hey, be careful, somebody is actually going the opposite direction. Yeah? And the person with the reaction is like, no, it's not just one. It's everybody who's going the opposite direction. That's that person, my friend, who they're talking about in the radio. So please don't be that person. This market, it's showing day after day a direction which that for us we revealed, and we spend a lot of time even giving you the trades. Yeah? Giving you the exact trades. So I'm going to spend time this morning in this pre-market analysis to calmly, over the next 15 minutes, show you that's very analysis that we have been sharing with you. For some of you, it should be boring by now. You should be just saying, oh, but please do not turn off. Just we need your viewership. just still stay on it. So since I cannot even see your comments, well, then I'm the dark. So, but I want to thank definitely all the new subscribers who are taking the step to follow us on YouTube and on Twitter as well. We appreciate you. The only reason we are here is because of you. So here's a morning where we have, once again, we have 13 viewers. So maybe we have 13 traders. I don't know how many traders we have in the right now in the Discord room in terms of subscription alerts. I'm seeing exactly 15 people. Okay, well, I'm not surprised. So I'm not surprised. So I'm going to switch my screen, Mr. B. Yeah, I think my record is not bad for September. We'll see in about 9 days or so. So I'm going to switch my screen and go to TradingView. Oops, sorry about that lighting. Go to TradingView, and so that we can take a look at the overall standing 30,000 feet view of the market. So if my screen will allow me to do that, I think we are there. I just need to switch tabs. Yeah. So the daily market recap on this past Friday showed, I don't know if that's the thumbnail. My thumbnail are horrible. Yeah, I mean, that's, I don't know, no viewership on YouTube. We know why. That's what I take on me, right? So I'm just going to duplicate it here and do 2 different charts because I want to spend time on this chart and establish a parallel. We are September 21st. Yeah, hey, Telex, come on now. 21st, 2020. Yeah. I'm looking at the chart of SPY, daily chart of SPY on TradingView. Since I'm on the dark here, I have to police myself not to because it must be horrible for those who are right now on YouTube. That's fine, guys. I mean, on some of these days, we will just do that inside our Discord because it's okay. There's no point in having these. There are no viewers anyway. So this was on February the 24th. February the 24th, if you want to do quant analysis, was a Monday. Yeah. So today is a Monday. We are gapping down 5 points on SPY. I'm saying 5 points because when my face tells you a lot, 5 points is like, yeah, it's nothing. Yeah, folks, it's nothing because this is not even near what's about to happen. Yeah. Again, if you didn't trade in February, March of this year, that's what this is going to be of value to you. The title of our video, Daily Market Recap, was, is it time to hedge your portfolio? Yeah. Well, my friend, because if anything like this happen, and there is no reason to believe that it won't happen. Over the next 30 days, let's say, well, that will be October 21st, but let's say over 30 plus 15 thereabout, over the next 45 days, the US equity market will definitely have to show us its resilience. They are capable. I'm not saying that, hey, this means that the world's coming to an end. No. I'm just saying that as a trader, right? If something like this happen, we have no excuse. You and I, we should be thriving. We should not be sweating a red future market on Sunday night. Au contraire, we should be sleeping like, psh, psh. Yeah, that's, babies, do babies sleep like that? I'm not sure. But for me, here's the problem. So at some point, if you haven't yet started to hedge with puts, as some of us started, at some point this week, you're going to have an opportunity. May that be today, because we know what this market does, right? When they open the gap down like this, they like to buy the dip. That happened. When did we have that? We had that last Thursday. Yeah, we had that last Thursday where, okay, a green candle, but a green candle after gapping down from Wednesday close. Where was this? Can we get that? 338, and we open at 333. So today, same thing. We're down 5 points. They're about on SPY, but maybe they're gonna go back. If they don't, it could be just a tiny candle like this, but expect them at least to try to go up again. So anytime that they go up, your resistance now is going to be your moving average. Look at this year was really, 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 the slope is what I'm trying to highlight here, Pulley. But this slope on here, if it resumed that type of speed, so here we are. I think Friday video talked about that. Friday video, again, daily market recap on Friday said, in all likelihood, for once, Telex was giving his opinion. Not his opinion, but he was giving more than just, oh, I did specifically say that I see us starting Monday potentially below the lower Bollinger Band, which at the time were at 328.25. Right now, SPY is saying that in pre-market they are at 325 something, and I've been there pretty much since for the longest hour. Yeah, so that's a sign that, hey, somehow they are stalling it there. If they are stalling it there, that's fine. But do not let this day, today goes by, finishes without you setting up yourself to answer this question. What if you wake up over the course of the next week or the week after and the SPY is down 20 points? What are you going to say? If I were you, I'd rather be positioning myself in a situation to say, oh, on that day, I'm going to be making my 10, maybe my first ever 10 bagger. Yeah, because that's what is in store for us. And this chart here, in terms of quant analysis, the easiest possible that we can do. So 5 point time, there are going to be bounces. But hey, now that we're below the daily Bollinger Band for SPY, yeah, you know they mean business. They mean business. And hence, you need to trade accordingly. To trade accordingly, meaning that first, with Mr. Suresh, hey sir, if you are, shout out to you if you are on the broadcast. So this is your strategy. We went over this on Saturday, right? We spent 2 hours just chatting about the market. Very, very nice conversation, discussion for potential things to be coming. So if you are using the strategy, I think here are 5 points. Yeah, here's your 5 points. But my point is that 5 points is nothing. We will be having more than 5 points. They're going to be between now and the next, let's say, 2 weeks. Yeah. Or even the end of the month. Yeah. My prediction is that we're going to wake up one day, SPY is going to be down 20 points. And that day, I do not want to be regretting anything. I will want just to say, all right, thank you, SPY. That's really the key takeaway. So on a day like this one this morning, the traders are the subscribers at Successful Tradings. The Ganser strategy it's a Ganser delight. Yeah, I wanted to say that. And if I had any type of production in this show, I will have some music to go with that. So we are now back at 216 viewers, which I cannot see. So I apologize, folks. If you're a subscriber, you can reach me. You can paste your message on the Discord room, which I will be able to see if you want a comment or a question for that matter. So we have 15 minutes on here. The trend is bearish, folks. Let's not kid ourselves. That doesn't mean that we will not have bounces. So meaning that the market now is going to a phase where you're going to have scalping calls. Yeah, because those opportunities will be there. There were days where we will gap up. Let's go back to that chart of SPY again. And actually, let's zoom in because I didn't do a good job of zooming in. No, I want to zoom in more onto the February time frame to see exactly which that we're talking about. Yeah, what started happening when the SPY fell below the lower Bollinger Band back in February. And just for me, coincidentally, we are September 21st. This year happened February 24th. Yeah. So you had that Monday just a tiny doji candle after a gap, but the gap on that day was big because we went from 333 to 323. So that was 10 points. Today is 5 points. That's mild. That's mild. When are they going to do 10 points? I don't know, but I know that's going to happen. It's going to be happening soon. And later on, as the sell-off accelerated, so before it accelerated, look what happened. Because we were so low below the lower Bollinger, retracement, yeah? And when people had confidence, people start buying it up, like higher highs, yeah? And we close, even on this day, March 4th, we close above the moving average. Oh, my friend, at that stage, everybody and their sister will tell you that, oh, we are back, yeah? But my friend, what ensued was, so the 5th, the 6th, and then on a Monday. So from a quant analysis perspective, we expect that the big dump is going to happen on a Monday, yeah? Today is 5 points. So record this, write this somewhere, yeah? You can start setting you off yourself for, just because they're going to be cheap. If you are trading SPY for puts 15, 20 points, my friend, you take them on a Wednesday or even on a Friday. On a Friday, even better. But by then, trust me, they, especially if you take them on a day where we are really green, yeah, then that's even better. They're going to be super cheap. And hence, you can get more contract, and your percentage win is likely to be, it's not likely, it's like it will be much higher, not likely, because just by definition, that if that direction assumed, right? So late in March, early March on here, there was a day where we went from the 6th to the 9th, again on a Monday. This quant analysis stuff is, it's not, so 2 Mondays here during this downtrend where we really gap down bigly. Did I say bigly? Really, Telex? Really? So, sorry, I apologize for my English. Huge. No. Okay, Telex, stop. So, on this day here, from the 6th through the 9th of March, and I think if you go watch it, we had a video on there. That was one video I made that, oh, tiny puts, set of puts on SPY paid 858%. Literally, I think, was it on this day? If it was not on this day, maybe it was on this day. No, because I know where I was. I know where I was on March 6. What part of the world I was on March 6? Trust me. So it was this one here, because by the time on here I was back into the US. So it was this one on here, because that video was made abroad. And so that day we went from 297 on close on a Friday to 275, 22 points. And my friend, you have the advantage now. We have the Fibonacci retracement. So the colors in the back, they are Fibonacci retracement level. And believe it or not, these things, they like following them. So meaning that should give you levels. So for us here at 325, we are starting the week at 325. The closest Fibonacci level is 312.29. Yeah? So just be mindful of that. So what else can we tell you here? So yeah, the green candle on here in a downtrend, oh yeah, they're fantastic. So meaning you can definitely scalp and make money in both directions. So that is something that we have seen already this past week, right? Let's now scroll back to the present time. So we are using the past, quant analysis is using the past to predict or to set ourselves for the future. Mostly here, this is a lot of sideways. So all of this build out on here is going to materialize, folks. Yeah, because we are spending 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days, okay? The market wasn't going anywhere. I talked about that on Friday again, Friday daily market recap video. If this video doesn't have, I don't know, 100 views by the end of today, then I don't know what else to tell you, folks. Pretty much then I will need to stop to stop making videos, because there's nothing else to say. Yeah. So let's go ahead and please, if you have questions, type them inside of Discord and I will try to answer them. Let me drink, if you allow me to drink water off camera, please. All right. Oh wow. The latecomers. So maybe some people who overslept or uh, we have 19, 20, 20 concurrent viewers now and 24 in playback. Okay. So if there's any message, if somebody, I don't know, I don't have anybody who's helping me. I don't know. Do I have a, how do they call them? Producers. I don't have a producer who's in the live chat to relay me questions on here as of now. Oh, so while we are doing this, let's switch screen because I'm blah blah blahing. I'm not even telling people what is the market right now. Yeah, like okay, Telex, that's fine and all, but could you show us where the equity market currently stand? That will be helpful. So because after all, we say pre-market analysis. So currently in pre-market analysis, SPY has been stuck at 325 something. Every time it has gotten to 325.00 or whatever, there has been an uptick. QQQ, same thing. So what does this tell us? This tells us that most likely we may have something a la Friday, not Friday, a la Thursday, where from the open, they just bought up. So hence, I repeat, right? Gangster trade, it's perfect. The only problem is that gangster trade on, let's say, stocks or even ETF that have expiration on Friday, based on the article again that we wrote an article, Anatomy of a 10-bagger, on the blog successfultradings.com. They're going to be more expensive, especially puts. From now on, puts are going to be, the volatility on puts going to be more expensive. I'm going to show you that. We're going to illustrate that here. We're going to simulate something here on SPY. So let's go to the option chart for SPY. I'm making sure that everybody is seeing the same thing as me. And now 610, let's see if, let's say, the real direction of the market, heavy hitters come. Volume on SPY is 2 million. Not too bad, yeah? That should give us an idea there. So let's go to the option chain for SPY. And let's say right now, if we were to say, hey, we want to buy, obviously, well, that will be based on Friday. But I think this analysis will see, this mock simulation will still run. If we say 5 point down on SPY, that's put us at about 320. Yeah, let's take a look at the 320. Telex, that's the wrong expiration. Telex is looking out. You see, my mind brought me here because that's the position that we told you guys. That's for some of us we took, right? Some people took it. Was it the 225? Yeah, I think this is about right because I remember 13, 14 cents. My friend, they went as high as almost 20 cents during last week. It was funny thing because on Friday they went down. The stock, the ETF went down, but yet your option actually lost value. Your put option lost value. If you're confused by that, then maybe you need to join Successful Trading. I will teach you all about that. That you have the stock going down, yet the your puts, they decrease in value. Spooky, isn't it? Yeah, but in any case, that's another story for another day. We are trying to simulate here what will it cost, how much will it cost to say the 320, not for October 20th, because SPY has expiration today. Yeah, we are bold. I mean, if you cannot trade, they trade SPY today. I don't know. I don't know when you will ever trade it. Let's hey folks, we are September 2020. We have been here so May, so June, July, August, September. We have been here 4 months. So we need to start graduating. Yeah. So day trading SPY on expiration day, it's one of those bread and butter. Yeah. Ask Mr. B how he does it. Ask Mr. B. So they were at 11 cents. Yeah. So my friend, there is no way you can get these at 11 cents right now. How much will you get for, will they be asking for them a little bit more? A little bit more, but maybe shy of 20 cents, definitely. Yeah, shy of 20 cents because here was 1 cent, the delta is 1 cent, and they went 5 points. So meaning that you expect to have 5 cents today. So that's definitely a gangster that you can set up, right? You can set up, you can even set up advanced gangster, a gangster sweep if you would like. That's a possibility. To start off like that, they are cheap, and then you can. Once, remember, one of the other technique that we have been talking about here at Successful Trading, once you have your gangster get filled in your bias direction, because you're buying them cheap, you have the possibility over the next few minutes when you get your fill in to buy more. Right now, if anything, they are going back up. So meaning that the calls are the one that may be going on here, like they did on last past Thursday, meaning they're buying the dip because we are starting well below the Bollinger Band. So 5 points away from here is 330. So the 330, okay, somebody hopefully, okay, this 330, I invite everybody here, yeah, because we have had this conversation with a gentleman, a trader on here on this show one morning, yeah. Last Friday, they were worth $2.81. Yeah, the 330 calls because they were in the money. We closed at 330, at 330.65. How much do you think they're going to be worth at the open? We are down 5 points. Well, but maybe by the time we open here in 15 minutes, we are going to be, maybe they will erase the entire deficit because they're buying the dip, folks. So meaning, yeah, right now, the market is signaling that, hey, they're buying the dip. We have seen this as we go through toward the open. So meaning that, yeah, they could well go and retest 330. That's fine, but you can trade that. You can trade that. Typically, what you expect to see is that when we hit 330, then in the last 3 hours or 2 hours of the market, 90 minutes of the hours, they're going to give it back. Yeah, that's what usually happen. Then for you, you can set up yourself here to say, okay, instead of maybe getting the puts, because if they're buying up the market, the puts for today, I'm not going to be that aggressive. I buy them for Wednesday because the trend is your friend. Yeah, you buy the puts for Wednesday. That's where you are just chilling, but you can get them cheaper. Trust me. If let's say they're buying up this index as of now, as they're showing on here, 15 minutes into the go, and then you can use these will be much cheaper than that. Let's try to find out, is there a way for us to find out? Let's say we are down 4 points compared to this. Yeah, I mean, a good gangster right now is really trying to get this as cheap as possible, the 330. That's where if, let's say, this buying the dip of theirs, it's worth it. You're going to make money on there, and then you sell off yourself for the puts for long term, as we have talked about, and then for short term for the week as well. That's how I'm going to be attacking the market today. And the same philosophy applies for QQQ. It's just that QQQ doesn't have expiration today, right? They have expiration on Friday. So hence, they're going to make us pay for that. So that's the difference between QQQ and SPY in there. All right, folks, it's 9:15 Eastern time. The US equity market will open in exactly 15 minutes. I hope that you got something out of this. If you are catching the broadcast for the first time, please do subscribe, like, share with your friends. There's many of your friends who would like to know how to hedge their portfolio, right? How to know how to navigate this treacherous market over the next 45 days or so. Tell them to come to Successful Trading. We will gladly take them through the steps of taking their accounts to the next level. Until then, have a great trading session. Have a great day. I really apologize about the technical difficulties on why I cannot see the live chat, but you guys hung in there, so more kudos to you. Have a good trading session. Bye-bye.